kitty go. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn this wig into this Sett from League of Legends. Let's get started. So you need Yoo-hoo, pair of scissors, and some spare eBay foam that is similar color to the wig. So as you can already see, I have used a little bubble to kind of mark out the red area that needs to be trimmed, and we're gonna use this trim out hair to make his ears like this. And now we have something like this. So because it's a male character, the ear part, this part right here, we're gonna trim it a bit shorter. Also make sure that the length looks more natural, and then we're just gonna, do the fringe. So at the back, after you add on some layer, it should look like this. Then later on, we're gonna use the iron to make some curve. That looks nice. So for the sides, we're gonna do the same and trying to get rid of this thick line here. Make sure you only work on a small section at a time. You don't want to cut it too short. After you've done this layering for both sides, it should be looking like this. We can do the ironing later, but now let's move on to making Sett's ear. So the position that we want it to be is roughly here. So what you need to do is to cut out the shape using your spare piece of paper foam, and then we're gonna stick it on top with Yoo-hoo glue, and we're gonna put some hair on there to make it more realistic and blend in with the wig itself. And once you're done sticking the hair on both sides, you can repeat the process on the inside of the ear, but at this case, I just use acrylic paint to paint it to similar color with the hair because I'm too lazy and this is a rough tutorial. And there you go. This is how I style this wig within 30 minutes. See you next time.